and in this video I am going to teach you the difference between animal cell and plant cell. So here in this video I am going to teach the difference between animal cell and the plant cell. Now here you must be knowing, in most of the plant cell what you are going to see, the plants, you know very well, they can carry out the process of photosynthesis. So in case of plant cell, most of the plant cell, they have the capability of photosynthesis, and this is due to the presence of a pigment, that is chlorophyll pigment. So in most of the plant cell what you are going to see, the presence of chlorophyll, and due to this plants they can carry out the process of photosynthesis. Yes, in case of animal cell you are not going to see the process of photosynthesis. Now here I just want to tell you, you must be knowing, in case of plant cell what you are going to see, around the plant cell, cell wall is present, while in the case of animal cell, remember, the cell wall is absent. Here keep in mind, in both type of cell, so in actually both animal cell and plant cell, remember they are eukaryotic cell, in both type of cell you are going to see the presence of plasma membrane, but cell wall it is present in the case of plant cell, while in the case of animal cell, cell wall is absent. Another important point, keep in mind, the cell wall it is not semi permeable as like plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is semi permeable in nature. Now you must have seen the structure of plant cell. So on the surface of plant cell what you are going to see, connections, these are known as plasmodesmata connections. Okay, one plant cell they can exchange the material to the another plant cell. Okay, and this can happen through this connection, plasmodesmata connections. Here keep in mind that these plasmodesmata connections they are absent in the case of animal cell. Another important point here, keep in mind, in the case of plant cell what you are going to see, a large central vacuole. Large central vacuole. If you look the structure of a plant cell, what you are going to see, you are going to see large central vacuole, and generally this central vacuole is going to work like lysosomes. Keep in mind, in case of plant cell the lysosomes they are absent, but more or less similar function is being carried out by the large central vacuole. Here in the case of animal cell, remember small vacuoles are present. Small vacuoles are present. A large central vacuole like structure is absent. Here in case of animal cell, you know very well, you are going to see the presence of lysosomes. So lysosomes they are present in the case of animal cell, but keep in mind, in the case of plant cell, lysosomes they are absent. Now here we are going to discuss more difference between animal cell and plant cell. Now here I just want to tell you, in the case of plant cell what you are going to see, generally special type of organelle like known as plastids. So plastids they are present within the plant cell, and we are going to have a detailed discussion about plastids. They can be of different types like amyloplast, aleuroplast, elioplast, but here keep in mind the plastids they are present in the case of plant cell and they are absent in the case of animal cell. So in animal cell you are not going to see the presence of plastid. So here one is example is the chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast is present in plant cell, but not in the case of animal cell. Now here keep in mind, in the case of plant cell, generally the plant cell, they store sugar in the form of starch, while if you see the animal cell, they can store sugar, glucose, in the form of glycogen. Okay, so this is also the difference. Now here I just want to tell you, in the case of plant cell, you are not going to see the presence of centrosome. Keep in mind, centrosome, within the centrosome you are going to have centrioles. Okay, and hopefully you remember these centrioles, they play very important role in animal cell, because from centrioles what you are going to see, microtubules, they will start organizing. So here keep in mind, centrosome and centrioles, they are absent in case of plant cell, but in case of animal cell, centrosome and within the centrosome, centrioles are present. Now here I have told you, from the centrioles what you are going to see, the microtubules, they are being organized, and there is going to be formation of spindle fibers. So hopefully you remember the steps of mitosis. So centrioles, they play very important role in organization of spindle fibers. Okay, so here keep in mind, in case of animal cell, centrosome, centrioles, they are present, but in case of plant cell, centrosome, centrioles, they are absent. Now here I just want to give you one clarity. Keep in mind, here in plant cell, the spindle fibers, they are being formed. So here you see centrioles, they play important role in formation of spindle fibers, but here in case of plant cell, there are other structural elements similar to centrioles. Okay, similar to centrioles, and they are involved in organization of spindle fibers. So here also spindle fibers are being formed, but they are not formed by the presence of centrosome or centrioles. So hopefully you have learned clearly what are the difference between plant cell and the animal cell. Please do like, share the video. Please do like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Correct Biology. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice time.